Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. We are here today in Nonna Romana's basement kitchen to make one of the most classic dishes from my childhood. But Nonna, say hello everybody.
Hello everybody, I'm Nonna Romana.
And what are we gonna make today?
Today I gotta make pastina. I remember when I have my grandchildren very small, I make almost every day pastina. They love pastina e brodino. They love, I put some cheese, so they come very good.
A lot of cheese that we gotta put.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna make some Stelline Pastina with Parmigiano cheese because Parmigiano goes on everything, right?
Yeah, very good.
And this you make it for the baby,
Sure.
but also big babies too.
Yeah, I know everybody eat that.
I still like pastina.
I like too. Sometimes I make pastina e brodino.
Pastina is always a good idea, guys. This is probably one of the easiest recipes on Cooking with Nonna, but I couldn't not do it because this is really one of the dishes that bonds me and Nonna together so much. So we're going to turn around and show you guys exactly what to do to make the perfect pastina.
The first thing you gotta put dado.
We got to put one of these babies, or maybe two actually.
Two.
We got to put two? You sure?
You have
Okay.
too much water. Yeah,
So these are bouillon cubes. These are from Italy, and they're actually available in La Bottega on our website. But you can use any bouillon cubes you like. This is Il Dado Classico, and it's a nice mild flavor. You can use chicken bouillon. You can use beef. You can just not do this with water. You could just do chicken broth if you want. Totally up to you. But this is what gives the pastina all its flavor, is cooking it with the dado.
It's very good. I love it.
Okay. So we're going to give that like a minute to just melt down in the boiling water. And the great thing about pastina is that it cooks super fast. So when you just get that craving, that woolly for pastina, in like 10 minutes you can have pastina. And the water is starting to turn the color of the dado. It's starting to turn nice light brown color. Emma?
You gotta put a pasta.
Gotta put it this is about half the box pasta. You don't want to use the whole thing. That actually makes a lot of pastina.
This is Stelline pasta.
This is Stellina. So there are a bunch of different kinds of pastina. These are Stellina, and they're the Stellina with the little holes in them. Then they also make the Stellina that are just tinier stars, even tinier than this. There's Ancini di Pepe. There's Orzo is technically pastina, but technically there are people that will fight with me about the fact that Orzo is not pastina. I've met those people, you know, they exist. But really any kind of small pasta is considered pastina, because if you look at it linguistically, pastina, the ina is the diminutive, so pasta is the word, ina at the end just means small pasta. So when Nonna didn't have any stellina in the house, I'm a stellina kind of girl, she would just take spaghetti and break them up very small. And that was...
Make it cappellini.
Yeah, it's still pastina.
Yeah.
You just want to add
It's good too. I love it.
Yeah, I love me some broken spaghetti. There we go. I'm going to give this a quick stir. And in about 5 minutes, your pastina is going to be ready. Super quick cooking. And whatever the package instructions say, my advice is to cook it about a minute under, just so it's not too mushy if it has to stay in the pot a little longer, because as it stays in the hot liquid, it's going to keep cooking. So Nonna's going to start grating some Parmigiano cheese to put on top of this, and we are going to have some delicious pastina in just a few minutes. You ready, Nonna?
Oh, yes. I got a great cheese now. Now they gotta have a pastina. I grate some cheese, Parmigiano cheese, very good. I love it.
So our pastina is ready. Look at all those stars. Oh my goodness. You hungry, Nonna?
Sure. I make just my breakfast this morning. I don't eat nothing.
Well, pastina's the perfect snack, I think.
Yeah. I love it.
Now, some people like it more brothy. Some people like it thicker. Some people add the cheese while it's still like on the flame and melt it in that way. That's just not how we did it at our house. Doesn't mean it's wrong. It's just not how we did it. But you could do it that way if you want to. But we like to put it in the bowl and we add the cheese after.
Okay.
Oh, you want a cheese?
Yeah, sure. Put
Yeah,
a
sure.
2 spoon.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
2 spoons of cheese.
Yeah. Maybe I put a little.
Yeah, right there. It's okay. I'm going to put some cheese on mine too. Wow. And here we have pastina, Stelline Pastina with Parmigiano. Just mix the cheese in.
Look very good. A lot of time I don't eat the pastina.
Oh my gosh. This is so good, Nonna.
Yeah.
So, so good. Hi, Mom.
Oh, yeah. So good.
It's so good?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, nothing hits the spot like pastina. You know, they call this Italian penicillin because when you're sick, when you're cold, when you're sad, when you have a broken heart, when some guy don't text you back. I mean, I'm married, so it's not my problem anymore. But pastina fixes everything. Right, Nonna?
Yeah.
Nonna, dicono che pastina è come una medicina.
Yeah. It's very good.
How do you think?
Pastina è come una medicina. It's good for everybody. Mm-hmm.
And with that, guys, we're going to leave you. Go make some pastina. Eat it with somebody you love and put as much cheese on it as your heart desires. We love you guys. Nonna can't stop eating this because it's so good. We will see you guys next time on Cooking with Nonna. Nonna, I love you.
I love you too, my baby.
I say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Nonna's hungry today.